dear students. Today we are going to learn about non-conventional sources of energy. And see, we know that as the demand of power is increasing, many attempts are being made to find out new non-conventional sources of power. Means technology is improving or progressing so fast, and most of these sources of power are inexhaustible or renewable. And let us see which are the non-conventional sources of energy. See, nuclear energy, and we know that nuclear energy is obtained by the breaking up of nuclei of certain elements like uranium and thorium. And see what is happening. This process or the breaking up of this process gives out a lot of energy, and some harmful radiation also is there. And the energy which we get from this are used to heat water to make steam. And what is the use of this steam? The steam runs generators to produce electricity. With the help of this steam, we are producing electricity. It helps to run generators to produce electricity. And see, we know that this nuclear energy is not renewable. Nuclear energy is not renewable, and it, as the ores of uranium, thorium, etc., will ultimately get used up. And see, in many countries are led the world in the production of uranium, means Canada and Australia. All these countries produce a large amount of nuclear fuel also. And see, the solar energy, and we are traditionally using this solar energy. Means traditionally used the sun's energy for growing crops, for drying clothes, then grains, vegetables. For drying all these things, we are using this solar energy. And for making salt from seawater, for this also we are using a large amount of solar energy. And see, scientists have developed new devices, that is solar panels and all. Means we can find solar cookers and all. Solar cookers and water heaters use the sun's heat. All these solar heaters or solar cookers, all these devices use sun's heat, and the solar cell converts solar energy into a small amount of electricity. And see, again, many solar cells are joined together to form a solar panel also. And we know that the panel generates enough electricity to change a battery, which can power a lamp or a TV set. Means the solar energy is very useful to us. Means it is abundant also. And see, the solar cooker, it uses glass to trap heat, and it is basically an airtight box with a glass top. And you can see that in the picture also. And a mirror at the top of the box is used to direct more sunlight into the box. This or the solar cooker uses glass to trap heat, and it is basically an airtight box and with a glass top. A mirror at the top of the box is used to direct more sunlight into the box. And you can see the box is painted black. Why it is painted black? Because to absorb more heat. And it is made of wood, plastic or some other insulating material. So why it is made like this? Because or so that it does not lose heat by conduction. So it is made in this way. This type of cooker can cook rice or vegetables in a few hours. I mean it saves our gas also. We can cook rice or vegetables, whatever we can, or many things we can cook with the help of this cooker. And see this wind energy, another type of non-conventional sources of energy. See, wind energy. Traditionally, wind has been used for propelling sailboats and for running windmills to pump water or grind grain. We know all these things, grinding grains and all, or pumping water, we are using windmills. And the work of windmill is now done by engines also are doing this work. However, these special windmills called wind turbines are now used to turn the shafts of generators to produce electricity. Means these different types of windmills are very useful to us, and it is not very dependable as it does not blow with equal speed at all times. Means many countries are practicing such type of windmills, especially Germany, USA, Spain, India, China, Denmark. All these countries generate power from wind energy. And see, in India, wind turbines have been set up. We know that in several states, wind turbines are also there, including Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Gujarat, Rajasthan, and Madhya Pradesh also is famous for wind turbines. All these non-conventional sources, or these are some of the non-conventional sources: nuclear energy, solar energy, wind energy. All this helps us to save or get more and more energy. Okay, thank you all of you.